How to link Amazon Prime to Twitch. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you just that. So for that, just head on to the website called gaming.amazon.com, and after that click on your profile icon, and from there just click on settings and then click on manage, and you will be redirected to this page where you will see this option called connect a Twitch account. So just click on it. Now you have to log into your Prime Gaming account, so just click on continue or create an account if you don't have one already, and now just sign into your account. And once you're signed in, you will see this option called link your following account, and it says your Twitch account and your Amazon account. So just click on continue, and there your Amazon Prime Gaming account is linked to your Twitch account. So this is basically how you will be able to link your Amazon Prime to your Twitch account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.